So as promised, here some exercises on elastic collisions. First one is 9702, paper 1-2, from May, June 2022. So two balls X and Y are moving towards each other with speed 5 meters per second and 50 meters per second respectively. One is moving to the left or to the right, one is moving to the left. They made a perfectly elastic head-on collision. So this is the key of the question. Remember, we have the collisions where in closed systems where the momentum is conserved, and collisions and a type of a subtype of those collisions is the perfectly elastic where the energy is also conserved. Okay, and in perfectly elastic collisions, the key is to use the relative velocities. I'll leave you here the theory about this. So perfectly elastic collisions, and ball Y moves to the right with a speed of 7 meters per second. So we're having X moving to the right, Y moving at first to the left, and then Y moving to the right at the end. Okay. So what is the speed and direction of ball X after the collision? So if you use the relative, remember for the formula for the relative velocities, it said the initial velocity of the first body minus the final velocity of the minus the initial velocity of the second body. So this is the relative approach velocity, relative velocity, equals minus the final approach velocity. Okay, so so U1 was 5. We've considered positive to the in the right direction, so this 15 is negative really, so I'll have to do minus 15 equals minus. V1 is the one that we have to calculate, they're asking for, and V2 is 7 to the right, so that's positive. So this is just a question of rearranging this. This is minus V1, so I'm going to put it on the left as positive. Then we have 7 as a positive here on the right, and this is 5 plus 15 is 20, and if we move it to the other side is minus 20. So V1 is equal to minus 13 meters per second, which means it's 13 meters per second moving to the left, okay, because it's negative. So the solution would be B, 13 meters per second to the left, this one over here, okay? And we can go to the solutions, and the marking scheme says 10B, which is the one that we've chosen. So that's the correct answer.